Hey guys, we're here for another Smash Unbox, okay? And this is a very special and exciting one as well. You could see on your screen we have three different Xiaomi mobile phones here. And obviously this is an entry level, sort of a mid-level here on Note 9. And we have the Redmi K30 Pro that we're gonna unbox, okay? So I hope you have some time to actually stay on this video, and we'll see what comes with it. And I'm very excited to find out, how good this phone is. Okay, so let's kick it off. Starting off first with the box. Okay, so it says there 20. I was about to say 2020, right? Which yeah. So it's actually 2010 on top, then the continuation of 2020 at the bottom, 10th anniversary. Redmi K30, right? Let's check the box. Okay, some icon there. Okay, now at this side, you're gonna see right away it's of course Redmi K30. It's 8 gig and 512 GB. Okay, it tells you right away, guys, that this doesn't have an expansion slot. So what I did was I get the highest memory available, so it won't be a problem. And from our previous video, once you have two IME numbers, it basically means that you have a dual SIM mobile phone. Okay, there's a sticker here that says high res. I suppose that's high resolution, and audio at the bottom. Okay, let's unbox this. This is exciting, guys. Okay, so while I'm doing this, I'm sure you're asking how much is this. By the way, this is a China version. Okay, as we all know, the recent Ultra phones was only released in China. So what I did is this actually kind of source who's actually bringing this into the country, and there you go, I got one. Now in terms of the price, let's talk about the price here. The price is very competitive, guys, for I would say maybe they would start to call this like a flagship killer, maybe. From a pricing standpoint, from peso, this is only 24,000 pesos, okay, for a high-end mobile phone. That's about 460 USD, and in Indian rupees, that's 16k Indian rupees plus. Okay, so Smash, let's check it out. I'm so excited, guys. Really want to see what's inside of the box. Wow. Okay. Nice. All right. Now it says something here. Always believe that something wonderful is about to happen. Wow, okay, some emotional words there. Okay, set this aside, and we're gonna see right away. Wow, the K30 Redmi. Okay, I actually forgot what's the variant that did I order, but it's the Ultra Black. All right, Ultra Black. So we're gonna put it here. Let's continue with the box. Amazing. All right, so obviously you're gonna expect it's gonna be a C-type charger, and the brick. Well, the brick is bigger than usual. One port brick and US plug. It's auto volt. Okay, let's put that aside. Anything here? Just to make sure, nothing. This Smash unbox that. Okay, so this is basically what you get out of the box. The mobile phone itself, the charger, which is C-type, and the brick. Okay, if we look closer, the bricks is actually, I saw on the website this supports, if I'm not mistaken, about 30 watts of charging. Okay, so we'll find that out. Now let's dive into some of the brochures or information sheet here. So you have the, of course, SIM card ejector. Then oh guys, look, there's actually an adapter. Oh, this looks like C-type to audio to stereo adapter. Okay, let's put that in, and of course let's smash unbox that, and it's free case. Okay. Oh, okay. It's a bit thicker than what's gonna be available on a Note 9, but okay, good than nothing. This is good. So this is what you get out of the box. Okay, of course no headset, but you have a free transparent case here, C-type, the block, and it just tells us something here, guys, that the Redmi K30 doesn't have the stereo ports anymore. Okay, I think that's a 3.0 millimeter port. Okay, let's open it up. Wow, look at that. There's even, I don't know, like a stamp here. It says Redmi. Then the camera, if you want to see the camera closer, guys, the back really looks so elegant. Hope you see that. Let's look at the side. So the usual Redmi or Xiaomi phone, the power on off, the volume adjustment up and down. At the bottom is actually, guys, this is where the SIM card slot is. Okay, microphone, I suppose, the speaker, and the charger port. Right away you can see here it's missing the stereo 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, that's why it comes with it. Right, it's okay. Nothing on this side. On top, okay, on top, this is actually, I think, the infrared blaster. So another feature that will soon be, I would say, available to the mobile phone is the infrared blaster. So what is that for? Most of our devices still, appliances, TV, etc., are still using infrared, and there are applications now that you can use and actually control those devices using this phone. Okay, all right, looks really slick and good. I just want to compare it side by side with the let's compare it with the Note 9, Samsung Note 9. Okay. Right, the camera is a bit protruding. See that? So right away you need a case to actually. But what's interesting, guys, again, is that look, usually our phone would have that selfie camera. There's nothing here because it's pop-up selfie camera, the one here. Okay. And it also comes already, guys, with a very thin protective tempered, no, it's not tempered, it's just a plastic glass at least. Okay, now it's nice. Just, I hope you can see this clearly. Okay, obviously it's like what I've said, it's a China version. Terms and conditions, let's just proceed with that. Checking for SIM card. We're not gonna insert a SIM card right now, so we're gonna basically just skip that. Don't use Xiaomi Cloud. Yeah, we're gonna skip that one for now. Oh, it's asking you to set up fingerprint and only screen lock. You can skip that, I suppose. Record your greeting. Okay, to record your greeting, move quiet place and say into your phone. Okay, let's skip that one. That's a good one. Location, user. Let's turn this off a bit. Okay. All right. Now it gives you system navigation mode, full screen gesture. Yeah, let's do a full screen gesture here. You can perform these actions using the gestures. Okay. Skip this step. Okay, setup is complete. Setup is complete. Let's right. Swipe up to enter system. All right, guys. I think you're already getting familiar with the new look, the dark theme of the Mi 12 or the Xiaomi Mi 12. Oh, look at that. It's so slick. Okay, now like what I mentioned, this is a China version, so we will be installing a Google apps, so we can get the Google Play Store application and have it installed here. That's going to be on a separate video, but we'll continue for at least now in terms of the physical attributes. Okay, now I would like to put this already to keep it safe. Let's see. All right. Now let's try a bit of some pictures here. Okay, let's just say allow. Okay. Okay. Very snappy. And there you go, guys. I suppose you can see the writings available there on the charging brick. Okay. Really looks good. So right away you would see that once you set up the fingerprint, it's a screen fingerprint scan right away. Okay, now let's try to do a selfie here. So let's go to photo, and then voila, there you go. Okay, good. So let's talk about a bit of the features here. And what I got from the internet, and I think everybody knows GSM Arena, is first one, it's a 6.67 LCD size screen. Okay, the camera is the main camera is 64 megapixel. Okay, 64 megapixel. There's a flash there, and the battery is 4,000 milliamperes battery. And guys, this is 5G. Oh, that is even a selling point there. This is a 5G now. This was just released this month. That's still on the China version. We basically don't know if they're gonna release a global version on this one, but that's yet to be found out. So display is a AMOLED touchscreen, 16 million colors. Okay, it's really smooth and slick. What else? Android 10, MIUI 12, like what I mentioned. So MIUI 12, octa-core processor, Mali GPU. So this is obviously for gaming as well. Of course, it's not a gaming mobile phone per se, but it would give you the excitement. So this is a 8 gig RAM 512. There are other variants such as 6 gig RAM 128 and an 8 gig RAM 128. For the camera is 64 MB. The wide lens, 13 megapixel for the ultra wide, 5 megapixel for the telephoto macro, and 2 megapixel for the depth. Okay. Loudspeaker, it's a stereo speaker, guys. This has a stereo speaker. Bluetooth is already 5.1 version. Wi-Fi is all supported. NFC, and like what I mentioned, there's an infrared blaster here on top. Fully charged this in just 58 minutes. Okay, quick charge 4 plus as advertised. Okay, so we'll talk more on a separate video in terms of how to install the Google services on the China Rom Xiaomi. Hope you like this video, guys. Please do share, like, and subscribe to make use of your time better. You can see that we're posting at least 2 to 3 videos every week, knowledge sharing and whatnot. So please do support our website as well as our YouTube page. And again, this is the Smash Unbox. Thank you.